Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Access Builds. It's July 14th and we have the 4,000 subscriber raffle coming up. Let's check it out, guys. Alright guys, let's get this raffle spinning here. Where it stops, nobody knows. Let's see the big winner. Congratulations, Heirloom Designs got the big win. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on another episode of Off Access Builds. Congratulations to Heirloom Designs for winning my 4,000 subscriber raffle that we got here. And, well, we'll get that prize out to you, that torque multiplier. I hope you have good uses for it. And we'll have you on a video here shortly showing off your new tool. Alright guys, thanks again. Remember guys, it's always built, not bought. See you on the next one, guys.